Hey, there's Mark. Welcome to Truckin Tuesday. In 2020, we have this color version of the Hot Wheels Baja truck. Really like the graphics. Look how they break up the logo. They change the colors from yellow to white to yellow. And then on the top, you got yellow to blue. I really like that style. And the kind of frosty blue paint's very cool. Part of the Speed Blur series, if you like to do downhill racing. Maybe you like to get this one right here. This one was from Team Hot Wheels. But let's go ahead and let's crack this one open real quick. Love this color. The truck kind of took a little break for a while, but now it's back. The color is just really, really cool. And even if people don't really like the fantasy castings, you know, this is pretty realistic. In the back, what is that? You got like fans. I wonder what those fans. Those are not spare tires. The Toyota off-road truck, that one has a spare tire in the back. I did a separate video for this one. Has the Hot Wheels high-speed wheels, just like this one right here. Notice how they're flat and smooth. Watch it roll. Those were fantastic wheels. These, they're okay, but look, see how it stops? So, you know, if you're doing downhill racing, even if it's not a fast truck, once it gets to the straightaway, it just wants to roll and roll. So that's why these nickel-plated axles that were with the high-speed wheels back in the day, a few years ago, those are better for downhill racing, but for playing, these are fine. And then if you're collecting, you know, this is a fantastic color to collect. I really like I said, I like how they changed the logo. Let's take a look at the base. On top it says Baja truck. It's kind of hard to see. There you go, Baja truck. M47. Even though this showed up in 2020, it actually was produced last year. M is the code for 2019. So the 47th week of 2019, that's when this was produced. 2019 copyright? Oh, wait, 2019 copyright. Why did you get a new copyright? That's interesting. What did they change? They must have changed something to give it a 2019 copyright. That can't be right. Interesting. Copyright on this one? Do they have it? I'm looking. I don't see a copyright date. So this model, they used to have, here's the code, X0139. So if you do a search on the internet for Hot Wheels X0139, you'll find people who keep track of the different colors. See, this one has a base code E07. So it started in 2008 with A. So you count A, B, C, D, E. That would be 2008, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this was released around 2012. Made in Thailand. This one here, made in Malaysia. They changed the code here too. Actually, on the package, if you look right here, GHC26. And it was X0139 before. I wonder what they changed. I don't really notice anything. I wonder why they made the big change. You know, I'm looking. I just don't see any changes. I don't understand. Anyways, this is a great color. You like to collect the Baja truck? Actually, it was, now that I think about it, it was actually part of Team Hot Wheels too. Origin of Awesome, yeah. It was part of that 5-pack. I do not recall doing a review of that 5-pack. It was very easy. It was very common to find. I did do a review of this Toyota off-road truck though, and the high-speed wheels. Bone shaker. Yeah, I did a review. I actually did jammers and racing with this faster than ever bone shaker and this high-speed wheels bone shaker. Yeah, they actually got to race together in a little competition. Part of I did a bunch of bone shakers. Thank you for watching. Happy collecting. Bye.